boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device, my friends. As you know, The Scoop is for your entertainment only. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm not a financial advisor, my friends. I give you the information. You follow up and do the research, and you and your stockbroker decide whether you want to buy anything that I'm saying on here, my friends. Education, entertainment only, my friends. My friends, I'm an author, not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. My books can be found on Amazon.com. You can get the audiobook, the paperback book, or the ebook, my friends. Books like Marijuana Today, Vanadium and Uranium Tomorrow. As you guys know, we're keying in on the vanadium area and the uranium area right now, my friends. I want to talk to you today about three of our crypto stocks that we singled out. These miners, we singled out these miners a while back. And we said these miners are going to survive after the halving. After we did our due diligence, my friends, we came to that conclusion. But first, I want to start today. I want to talk to you. And they all came out with news. So I've got news, big news that I want to give to you before the halving, which could be any minute now, my friends. Any minute. It's going to happen. We're going to have a halving right now. Something's going to happen. Nothing's going to happen, my friends. It's all good. Bitcoin is up. Bitcoin is down. Bitcoin's to 8,500. Took a dump here in the last 48 hours. You guys know the deal. I don't need to tell you. You already know. I'm preaching to the choir here, my friends. My friends, Make Money Online with Cannabis Stocks. It's a book we wrote a little while back, right? You know, I have a strategy in there. There's over 40 stocks. One of the 40 stocks in there is Aurora Cannabis. Now, Aurora Cannabis, we made a lot of money with Aurora Cannabis, and I wouldn't be talking like this, you know, unless we've made our 3,000 or 4,000% on Aurora back in just the day. It seems like just a couple of years ago. They were way up, and we sold them, of course, after talking to Cam Batley. You know, Cam was a good guy. People, you know, they'll crap on Cam and all that, and they'll crap on some of those guys. It didn't start off this way, my friends, and a lot of companies don't start off this way. But I'm not an apologist or anything for Aurora Cannabis. They did this reverse split. It sucks. People woke up this morning and they thought, hey, Aurora's gone up to $7, $8, $9, $10, whatever, you know. No, it hasn't. Your shares have just been taken away, my friends. It's gone down. So, yeah, my friends up in Canada, they have a right to be pissed off. They have a right to be upset because, you know, they did a lot of lying and stuff. This is after the company was going to be one of the greatest, you know, marijuana companies out there, my friends. There was a lot of shenanigans going on. There was a lot happening with them. That's why last year, when I did that video of which was going to come back first, Aurora or Tilt Holdings. Remember, we've been talking about Tilt lately a lot, the guts of this industry. Remember, I compared it to Cisco Systems back in the day when James Dines gave me Cisco at, like, you know, under 10 cents. And I didn't quite take advantage of it like I wanted, like I should have then. But Aurora and Tilt, I said Tilt would come back before Aurora. This is a video last year. Take a look at the video. You guys are like, Mickey D, did you really? Look at the video. It's out there. And I said that Tilt would, of course, come back before Aurora would, because Aurora had so much debt, my friends, and they needed some sort of they needed an angel to come in and get them and save them. You know, no, they weren't gonna with the debt, with the bottom line sheet like they had. No, you know, no one was gonna come. No, you know, Pepsi-Cola, Coca-Cola, or the local Coke dealer, nobody wanted anything to do with them. So that was the deal. That's when I told on my show, I said, Cam, you've done all you could do. Man, I would be out of there, dude. Get out of there. Keep your reputation. Keep your integrity. And no, he hung on thinking they were going to make him CEO. I said this. Dude, this is Jerry's company. He's got this junk, man. He ain't going... Dude, get out of there. Well, that was my message to him. Now, the company now is as far as I'm concerned, it's on the way out. I'm not saying it's going to zero because they still have some fire left in them, my friends. But it's going to take a whole lot of work to get Aurora back on track. And that's all I want to say about the marijuana section right now, my friends, because this big happening is on us. Crypto is on us. Bitcoin is on us. I have some news for you, my friends. I'm kind of bringing it up a little bit, but all is well. All is well. Hope you guys had a great Mother's Day yesterday, and you had a chance to talk to your mother, visit your mother-in-law, any of that kind of good stuff. I know some of you guys have some mother-in-law stories probably from yesterday and all that good stuff, but we'll talk about that at another time, my friends. Today, I want to tell you a little bit about these three stocks. And my friends, the CEO makes a difference. And when the CEO does what he says he's going to do, or she does what she says she's going to do, like Kim with True Leaf, you know, they say they're what they're going to do. Frank Holmes with Hive blockchain technologies. This is the news of today, my friends. Hive blockchain increases Bitcoin mining capacity with first acquisition of new mining S17 ASIC chips. Now, he said he was going to get new equipment. He's going to get the latest and the greatest. He's going to get some stuff out there that's going to be that we're going to be proud of, my friends. Let me tell you here. Please to Hive Blockchain Technologies, HIVE on the venture exchange, hbf.f on the over-the-counter in America, and hbf.f over in the Frankfurt exchange, my friends. The company is pleased to announce that 750 new Bitmain S17 machines now operational as recently acquired in its operation in Quebec. 750, my friends. The total number of machines utilizing green power, my friends, we're not paying these high electrical bills, my friends. Green power to mine Bitcoin at the facility is now approximately 14,750 machines working for you and I, my friends. Hive blockchain technologies. The new S17s have an increased capacity. You know the deal, my friends. He has done what he said he's going to do. This is not, as D Money said one day over at Planet 13, that he's not a trust fund baby CEO like some of these running these marijuana companies. This is a true legitimate CEO, my friends. And at Hive Blockchain Technologies, our baby knockout that's in the game, we love it and we think it's going to be really, really good. As they dip today, yeah, they dip. I told you, yes, didn't I tell you this weekend that there would be a correction and they would correct? Yes, Ken, some of you others, Megan, you got an opportunity. You others that wanted to get into some of these stocks, you got to just give it a couple days or so. Give it some time, my friends. I'll show you right here. Riot Blockchain is next, my friends. I want to talk about them for a second. Riot Blockchain reports first quarter 2020 financial results, recent legal operation, and financial highlights. Now, you guys know that investigation, I've told you before, it was terminated. That's when we decided to take a look at this company. After they got rid, that stuff was gone. They upgraded some of their stuff. They've increased their revenues. They got some new machines, corporate liquidity. They've got money, $19.2 million in cash and cryptocurrencies, are compared to $11.3 million as of December 31st, 2019. So, my friends, they received the notice, which was cool. The investigation is over. They were also involved in a class action. All that stuff is over. 4,000 Bitmain S17 Pro. They were acquired late in 2019, fully deployed in operation during quarter one of 2020. So we'll have some good news from them. Their Oklahoma City mining facility, 146 overall increase in Riot's fully owned hashing power. They're going to be, you can read about it, my friends. Purchased 2,040 new generation Bitmain S17s in April. So we'll see. We'll see, my friends. They are growing, and they produced 281 newly minted Bitcoins during the first quarter of 2020. there's going to be a lot going there. They're going to be one of the top miners out there. That's why, my friends, that's why right now the institutions have taken a major interest in Riot blockchain once again. They were in there before, they got out when they were under investigation. Now the investigation is clear, so you've got a lot of people jumping into Riot blockchain. I'm telling you this now, my friends, because there is a major pullback going on right now. So when these stocks are 20%, lower, and the next day they could be another 10% and another 5%, and then they shoot up, you want to get them when they're low. The easiest and most effective and best way to beat Wall Street is to get in early. That's it, my friends. Get in early, like we did with our marijuana stocks. And then we don't have to worry about it. We're in early. We're in pennies on the dollar. And that's the way we are right now with our cryptocurrency plays right now. With these three plays, my friends. The third one I want to tell you about is Hut8. Hut8 reports first quarter 2020 financial results. Now, you guys know Hut8 is purely a Bitcoin play. It doesn't have the Ethereum play like Hive does. Hive is our baby knockout that can wipe this thing off the map, my friends. It's in that position, and we have the CEO in place. We have Mr. Frank Holmes that can make things happen, my friends. We have a seasoned pro. That's what you need. A lot of these lower priced companies and stuff, you need a real seasoned pro in there to make things happen. My friends, HUT, HUT, Toronto Stock Exchange, over-the-counter HUTMF, HUT8, one of the world's largest public cryptocurrency mining companies by operating capacity and market capitalization, today announced its financial results for the first quarter ending March 31st, 2020. HUT8 reports all amounts in Canadian dollars. What they do, my friends, 12.7 million in Canadian dollars. They mine 1,116 Bitcoin. 1,116 Bitcoin, my friend. Small margin of 1%, which is much lower due to the Bitcoin price collapse. That was the problem here. The price collapsed. You guys know that. The price, boom, 48% in 2 days in mid-March. So that kind of threw them off. But this is a straight HUT8 is a straight Bitcoin play, my friends. And we're talking about a company that's adjusted now. It's under $1. It was over $1. You remember Sunny D made that great trade. We got up in the morning. It was a 140, like on Friday or something. I don't know what's today. Today's Monday. It was a great play, my friends. Why are people so excited about this Bitcoin play? Let me tell you. They're excited, and we are excited because we're doing it on the stock side. We don't have wallets or anything. We're doing it straight on the stock side. We believe that this is a safe, effective way to play the Bitcoin hype, shall we say, right now, which is going to turn into reality, maybe. A lot of people, especially if Bitcoin goes up. These companies have a lot of Bitcoin. But my friends, at the beginning of the year, when we piled in and backed up the truck with Hive blockchain at under 10 cents, we got in at like 8 cents. The number one reason, you remember me telling you that we felt that Ethereum could have a really good year this year. It could do better than Bitcoin. It could have a better year than Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin's going to have its happening, and then maybe June, July, August or so, we'll get the Ethereum 2.0, and Ethereum will be off to the races. And the second part of the year, my friends, as we come to this holiday season that I've been telling you guys about, Thanksgiving or so, we're going to have a great holiday season this year. Now, friends, one of the reasons why is you look at the Bitcoin price, and I don't bring a lot of we do technical analysis, my friends. We do our fundamental analysis, but the main thing we get out there, we're boots on the ground, my friends. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, my friends, that red button. We'd love to have you on board. We're boots on the ground. We get out there, we find out exactly what's going on, my friends. And give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're good, my friends. Don't get a lot of thumbs up. One guy was asking me, one of the subscribers was asking me, said, Mickey D, you've got 3,500 subscribers. Now, you're just growing slowly. He said you could grow real big if you go out there and you put these things here, you do this and do that. We don't want that. We're under the radar, and we want to do our thing right there. I got guys, Werewolves Project, Mike Peter. Thanks, Mike. I'm gonna get that stuff tomorrow. I'm gonna hopefully get tomorrow. Thank you very, very much in advance, guys. We're under the radar, and we want to keep it that way. We've done. Back in the day, man, I've been on these shows, man. Don't forget these CNBC and all that stuff, man. Charles Payne and all that. Look at some of them old shows, man. You'll see what time it is. Some of the old Fast Money show. Not Fast Money, but you remember the Ringing Bell when they used to have that stuff in the morning and all that stuff. Anyway, my friends, I want to show you this real quick. It's the Bitcoin price chart, right? My friends, as we look at this, we're looking at the trajectory at, let's look at the first halving, right? This was the first one. So we branch out here. And you see the price action. You see how we're going? We go into a lull and then we go up. We go into a lull and then we go up. We go into a lull and then we go up. We're in that lull right now, just before the third halving. As you can see, guys, this is a chart that's been circulated everywhere, my friends. Everybody kind of knows what's going on right now. So as we go from, we started, the block reward was 50 to 25, and then it went from 25 to 12 and a half. Now we're going from 12 and a half, 6 and a quarter, So they're saying that, the miners won't be as profitable as they were. They'll have to do a lot more than they're doing now. And this merry-go-round of getting new equipment and this and that and the other thing. My friends, R3, and in particular our baby knockout, are pulling back now. That's when you have to make a decision as to whether you want to get on board now. If you weren't on board at 8 cents with us, if you weren't on board when Riot was 55 cents, if you weren't on board when HUT 8 was under 50 cents, now is an excellent time for you to consider what you want to do with our Bitcoin place. Of course, my friends, you guys already know our uranium play, we're in position right now. Our gold, we're in position right now. It's an excellent pullback on our cryptos right now for you to get in right now, my friends. It's an excellent time. I want to thank you for joining me. Like I said, my friends, I hope you had a great Mother's Day. You mothers out there, God bless you. You make this world go around. The mothers are fantastic. Love you. I know I love my mother. I talked to her on Mother's Day, and she's doing well. Still hasn't got the results back from that test, John. I was telling you, that company, I don't know if they're all that. Our baby knockout there, but give them a chance, because Arizona's blowing up right now with cases, and they're headquartered there in Phoenix. So they've got a lot of COVID-19 cases. If you're on the front lines, my friends, God bless you. We love you. We're praying for you. We want you to pull through this. I just had a friend, my friends, that was in the hospital. Went to the hospital today for they think that it may be COVID-19 with the bad heart and stuff. So we pray for them. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family, my friends. Like I said, an off day, it's a day to really do something if that's what you want to do between the next few days, the next 48 hours or so. Tomorrow they're going to go down again, and when they be up early, be honest, guys. It's a job now. You may not forget an unemployment check, forget these business loans or anything like that. You don't want anything you have to pay back. Man, start $500, get you a little account, and make this thing work, my friends, because this is a golden opportunity. This is a great opportunity. Great opportunity, my friends. We've got look at our uranium baby knockouts. Look at Denison Mines. It's up over a quarter, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents. It's going to be going up. In 2007, 2006, the last uranium run, my friends, Denison Mines, I just come out from a hangover of the internet, .coms, right? Making a zillion amount of money, you know, but I had a little bit left after spending like a madman, you know, because I traded like a madman. We play hard, we work hard, my friends, okay? Now, after getting out of that, then we had this, they came along, Denison Mines came along, pennies like it is now, my friends, what, 44 cents or so, USD? It went up to a teenager, up over 12, 13, $14. My friends, the last time uranium was going up. Everything is in place right now for uranium. Early, getting in early. I can't express to you enough. During the marijuana boom, my friends, I didn't express to you guys enough the importance of getting in early. My friends, we're talking lunch money. Save your lunch money. Save your movie money. And we put movie money and lunch money on this stuff because we get it pennies on the dollar. My friends, I can't, the one way to beat Wall Street is to beat in early. And when these stocks correct like this, and you guys know what's getting ready to go down with the uranium market, they're getting the backing of the United States government. So we're going to be like these other governments that back their companies. So guess what? If the price goes down a little bit, what's the government going to do? Prop it back up. That's the game, my friends. That's the game. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Next video is coming up right now. Take your choice, my friends.